this was just a broad discussion, but I'd like to hear upon the final thoughts from my members in terms of really what they feel needs to fundamentally be changed in terms of policy, a workable policy where, Jay Panda, let me start with you, where opposition parties and parties in power can work together and really say, listen, we can work on this and bring about that fundamental change which clearly everybody out here is crying out for.
Well, I'd put it as follows. Number one, I think, first of all, whether it's an SME that we are talking about or a startup or a large company, we have to celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship. This is something about India that the rest of the world actually recognizes. This is something about Indians that the rest of the world recognizes, and yet we don't celebrate it. I think we need to get back into the mood that we had for quite a few years. Number two, particularly when it comes to SMEs, I think we have to stop patronizing them. What we need to provide is easy, simple regulations that either a small or a large company should not face too much difficulty in operating. I think the one thing that we need to do to provide a level playing field is to ensure that new institutions like the Competition Commission do their job so that SMEs don't face unfair competition, provide them a level playing field.
Shivinder, how would you sort of take up some of the points and, you know, your final comments in terms of doable policy, not the big picture. Let's drill it down a little bit more.
Well, if I was to look at an ask, I'd probably look at having a credit history structure for the whole country available. I think one of the biggest difficulties any institution would have in giving money is knowing the earlier credit history. You take money from me, dupe me, go back to him, take money from him, carry it on, and there's no way to find out. So the repeat death ratio, so to speak, should go down. And have a distribution channel that is actually encouraging giving that kind of capital. If you have the credit history, it probably makes it easier. That'll probably be my ask from an SME sector.
Two asks, if I may. One is our legal system must work faster. One of the reasons capital doesn't take enough risk, and I can tell you from my GE Capital days and many other days, is that, you know, if someone chooses not to pay you, you will spend the next 5 years chasing them down without much recourse. The paper isn't worth anything. And therefore, the legal system has to give people recourse, and then the whole system can work a lot faster. That's one. Two, the government has to, bureaucracy has to become more productive in our country. These reams of paper, reams of rules, number of rules, I mean, we've got to get to a point where for every new rule you put in, you take 2 out. Otherwise, right now we keep adding up, and right now if you look at the number of rules, they are impossible for anyone to decipher, and certainly for an SME, virtually impossible to comply. So you are almost always likely to be non-compliant on something or the other. I think I would include all of us over here as I suspect. That must change. Government has to take a time to say, we're going to look at our internal productivity and focus on that because it causes enormous harm to the growth of our industry.
You know, I have no ask. And the reason is that the SME sector across the world is the same. We did an acquisition of a German SAP company a few years ago, and we closed the deal, term sheet was done, and then we started doing due diligence. And the promoters got very emotional that we are questioning their books of accounts. And the deal fell through because they said, you don't trust us. So it's the same everywhere. The reams of paper, the government bureaucracy and everything is exactly the same everywhere. Yet in every country, including India, there are some SMEs who are able to manage these constraints and become successful, and that's the reason they're called successful entrepreneurs. And being an SME is a challenging field, and therefore my ask is to the SMEs. My ask is to understand that the biggest challenge for you is not the ideas, not the human capital, but the finance. And therefore, the earlier you can tie that up with some strategic investor or bank finance or whatever it is, which gives you growth capital before you need it, the more you would be able to handle all these issues. These all issues are handleable. But if you don't get the capital when you really need it, you can't handle it. And if you solve that, and you have a great idea, I think you will have no ask. You will be able to manage the environment because that environment will become your competitive advantage because you can manage it and others can't. And ultimately in life, you're looking for competitive advantage and level playing field, not red carpet rolled out to everybody so that everybody wins. No, there are few people who will win because they know how to manage the elements in the environment better than others.
Well, thank you so much. On that note, many thanks for those quick and very insightful comments as far as the SME segment is concerned. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, many thanks for joining us.